Richard Coates Middle School is situated in Northumberland, in the northeast of England. It teaches pupils aged 9 to 13 from Newcastle City and from rural farming areas. The school teaches over 460 boys and girls. The school has used game-based learning in different subjects, including English, mathematics, science and music. The school is an ICT club which has tried out the ideas before using them in lessons. The school has used game consoles in mathematics lessons. The children are already engaged in the lessons, however the school is keen to try new ideas of developing learning. A new device, Kinect for the Xbox 360, was recently released. It enables the user to move in front of the Kinect camera and control the games. So the school has trialled it using it with 11-year-old primary age children using a brain training game. This minigame involves comparing two calculations to judge which is larger and smaller. The pupils then have to make the correct sign with their arms to show larger than or smaller than. The game was initially tested by small groups. At the end of the questions, the pupils received a score and a grade.
You beat school. You got a D? Yay!
This game has also been used with the whole class. One pupil controls the game, the other pupils perform the movements to give their answers. Another mini-game involves the pupils converting digital time to analog time by moving their arms to represent the hands on a clock face. The pupils really enjoyed the large movements to give the answers and the instant feedback. The class has also tried out this activity. The children had to ensure they had enough space between them for their arm movements. The teacher found that the children gave their own answers and didn't wait to copy the pupils controlling the game. The final example involved performing a calculation, then kicking the correct answer into the football goal. Both boys and girls enjoy this game. For the whole class, this one proved harder to find appropriate space for all the pupils to kick. They also began to call out their answers, which didn't help the pupil in control. This activity and the previous ones built on the learning in the lessons and helped the pupils to practice their mental mathematics. The school has also used Nintendo DS handheld consoles in mathematics. The pupils have used brain training and maths game titles to develop confidence. The PictoChat tool is installed on the Nintendo DS and it allows the pupils to communicate wirelessly between them. They write messages and they read each other's responses. In mathematics, they can write questions and post answers instantly. PictoChat has also been used in English lessons. Pupils worked in pairs. They were studying a story and they analysed the characters, settings and main points of the book. Using PictoChat, the pupils reviewed their learning by sending keywords to the teacher, who summarised it on the whiteboard. The teacher found this method useful to get all the children to be involved and said it engaged both boys and girls. The school intends to continue using games for learning, adding the techniques and resources to engage and educate their children.
9 5